Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert multiple images in Microsoft Word. So for us to get this done, let's go over and basically just enter four of these right here, and let's go over and try to click this one, table layout, and then we're going to choose a fixed column width. Let's go ahead with that. Click the insert button, pictures of this device, and then you can go ahead and start putting the pictures. So yeah, that's the good thing about doing what I just did, is that you don't have to adjust the how can I say this columns every single time with regards to the width of the images. Basically, they are fixed, and so the images have to adjust with what is the size available that we have set. So that's a good thing about it. Let's go over down below, click and insert the last images or the last image that we have. There you go. So these are pictures of dog. And what you can do is then click on the table, and then we can go over and basically choose no border right here. That way it would not be visible. So yep, that's the easiest way in order for us to add multiple images here in our Word document.